morning. It is a beautiful Thursday morning in Southwest Florida. A little hazy with some fog. I am today going to show you the process that I do to fertilize my peppers. I haven't fertilized them in about a month. They're on a 2-week schedule, and with me being out of town, it's been a while. So I'm going to show you how I do that. And pretty much that's all that I have on tap for today. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, we have 5-gallon bucket. We have AgroThrive fruit and flower. It's a 3-3-5, specifically designed for fruits and vegetables. We have Jack's All-Purpose, specifically designed for fruits and vegetables, 20-20-20. And we have the bucket that I'm going to dip in to the solution and pour around the base of the plant. First thing that I do is start filling the bucket with water. Okay, the bucket is about a quarter of the way full here. Next, I'm going to pour the AgroThrive in. Normally, if I'm making a 5-gallon solution, it's 1 cup per gallon. So I'm just going to pour all of this in. Then, of this, I use 5 scoops. And then we continue filling up. Okay, the solution's all mixed, so now I'm just going to pour it in. Okay, I'm going to do this to the rest of the plants, and then afterwards we're going to water. Okay, now we're watering the plants. We'll give them a very thorough soaking. Okay, I'm going to do this for all 11, and then we're going to go back. Okay, we got that task for today completed. I want to thank you for coming along with me. The fertilizer that I use, AgroThrive, it's a organic biofertilizer, liquid, and you mix it with water. I became interested with it in it after seeing it used on another channel, and it works to me better than fish emulsion, with the main benefit being that it is organic, and by no way does it smell as bad as fish emulsion. It is derived from corn steep fermented fish, so it does have some fish in it, and molasses, and it works pretty well. I haven't had any complaints or anything like that, so I'm happy with it. If you're interested in getting a free sample or using it, I have a link down in the comment section, and you can give it a try. I know that my plants, be it the peppers or my green leaf vegetables, love it. So thank you for coming along. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to consider doing so. If you have subscribed, go ahead and hit the like button, and make sure you hit the notification bell. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If you're interested in anything else that I use in my garden besides the AgroThrive, head over to my Amazon storefront. The link is down in the comments section, and you can see what I use. I'm also now affiliated with Ollie USA raised beds. So if you're interested in getting a raised bed, go ahead and use the link down in the comment section and see if you can find something that you like. Remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a good amount of food for yourself and your family. So until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.